The next rule that we look at is the sign change rule. And it'll always be very obvious when you need to use a rule like this. You'll get given a sum and asked to factorize something where what's in the brackets looks incredibly similar. It's just that the signs are different. So this x is positive, that x is negative, this is a -3 and that's a +3, but otherwise they both have the same terms inside the brackets. And you can now change the sign outside the bracket, which will change the signs inside the bracket. So this sum, I change that term, and then I can change the terms inside the brackets. And now my brackets are the same. They're in reverse order, but x minus 3 is the same as -3 plus x. Let's unpack just why this is the same. I'm going to distribute. So let's take this term. Minus y, 3 minus x. Distribute this out. Minus 3y. Minus y times minus x is plus xy. So this is this guy. This one here, positive y minus 3 plus x is equal to y times minus 3 is minus 3y, plus y times plus x is plus xy. So these guys are exactly the same. That's why I can say this expression is equal to the one above. And this is great because now my brackets are the same. I'll write it again just to prove it to you. Plus y. I'm just going to switch these around because I can using the commutative law. Minus 3 and plus x. And then the next step is just to factorize. Common factor in both of those is the brackets that we've just changed, and then what we're left with. That's our answer using the sign change rule. Again, the step was to change the sign outside of the bracket in order to change the signs inside. So step 1, notice brackets are similar. Only the signs are different. These both had an x and a 3, but that had a positive x, that was negative, and the same was reversed with the x's. What you've got to do is change the sign outside the bracket to change the signs inside. And then simply factorize. So you're basically factorizing using the highest common factor method. The highest common factor of both of those is just the x minus 3. That's it. Let me know if you have any questions.